Welcome to our channel. If you want to utilize charity partnership codes to access free trials of premium services, follow these step-by-step instructions to take advantage of corporate giving programs and partnership initiatives. Step 1. Identify charities and nonprofits that have established partnerships with the services you're interested in by checking their websites or social media announcements. Step 2. Subscribe to charity newsletters and follow their social channels to receive exclusive partnership codes when they're released to supporters. Step 3. Participate in charity events, donation drives, or volunteer activities that may provide access to special promotional codes as thank you gifts. Step 4. When you receive a partnership code, carefully note any restrictions such as expiration dates, eligible services, or minimum donation requirements. Step 5. Visit the service provider's website or app and locate the promotional code entry field, typically found during the sign-up process or in account settings. Step 6. Enter the charity partnership code exactly as provided, paying attention to case sensitivity and any special characters to ensure proper validation. Step 7. Complete the registration process with your account information and verify that the promotional period is correctly applied to your subscription. Step 8. Set a reminder to review the service before the trial ends and consider continuing your support of the charity whose partnership provided this benefit. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel.